Hey everyone, so I've got my silicone back scrubber here. The seller did send this to me so I could go ahead and show the features. When you do receive it, it does come with a couple of accessories. One is this little adhesive hook you can put on your shower bathroom to go ahead and hold the brush. Also this little rope to go ahead, if you want, you can use this lanyard or that rope. Now what I like about this, it's got a really nice big silicone head. I mean, this is pretty dense in here. I like to end up putting bath oils in here to go ahead and soap scrub my skin. It's got a nice long handle here, and something I haven't seen before on the back side actually has a little extension. This allows you to get a better reach and force the head down onto your skin a little bit more to go ahead and get a better scrub. It also has two drain holes. We've got one here at the very top, and we've got one here at the bottom. You can see here at the bottom of the handle. That way the water is going to go ahead and drain out, and that way you're not going to get any mold or anything like that. But since this is nice and dense, I mean, it really scrubs really well. And of course, this silicone is actually food grade. But I like the nice handle, easy to grip, and it has these little dots right here. And that way it allows you to hold on to it, especially when your hands are going to be wet and soapy, just to hold on to it just a little bit better. Overall, it's really nice. I do like to have a back scrubber, and this is definitely a good one. Hope you found this helpful.